Meet the Vivo V50. Slim, powerful, and stunning. Vivo has officially launched the all-new Vivo V50 in India. Packed with power, style, and cutting-edge features, this phone is making waves in the premium mid-range segment. One of the biggest highlights, the slimmest phone in its category to house a massive 6000 mAh battery. It sports a stunning 6.77-inch Full HD plus AMOLED quad curved display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive 4500 nits peak brightness, perfect for bright outdoor conditions. Under the hood, the Vivo V50 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, a chip designed for seamless multitasking, gaming, and performance. Now let's talk cameras. The 50MP primary camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures crisp and stable shots, while the 50MP ultra-wide lens lets you capture breathtaking landscapes, and selfie lovers, Vivo hasn't forgotten you. The 50MP wide-angle front camera ensures every shot is detailed and frame perfect. With a 6000 mAh battery, the Vivo V50 gives you all-day power. And when you need a boost, 90W fast charging gets you back up in minutes. It runs on Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15, offering smooth animations, enhanced security, and customizations. Plus, Vivo guarantees 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. The Vivo V50 is available in 3 variants, 8GB plus 128GB for Rs34, $999, 8GB plus 256GB for Rs36, $999, and 12GB plus 512GB for Rs40, $999. Pre-orders are live now, and the phone goes on sale from February 25th. You can grab it in rose red, titanium gray, and starry night. Sleek design, powerful battery, and top-tier cameras. Is the Vivo V50 your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments below.